Alright, I finally got this thing running kind of reliably. This is a bifilar wound coil or a motor, the one with the two poles. One side is conventional Bedini SSG, the other side is a recovery circuit, Bedini recovery circuit. This here is just 3 coils around a magnet that's acting as a generator. So the input is around 17 volts, a little under 2 amps. And the output, there we go. It's bogging down. Hopefully it'll pick back up. Alright. So again, about 17 volts, a little under 2 amps. And the output, let's see, we have a 5 volt increments, so it's about 8. If I could kick this up in current and get the speed up, because it'll go about 5,000 RPM, it's maybe doing maybe 1,000 on here. The gear ratio is about 1 to 3. I think it's 20 to 60. 20 teeth on the bottom gear and 60 teeth on the top gear. And it vibrates like crazy, which is why I'm holding the top. So I'm gonna let go of that. Boost up the amperage. So we're at about 2.5 amps, 19 volts. I didn't like that at all. Alright, bring the voltage back down and turn that off. Now one thing about this motor is that it needs some RPMs in order to get started. So I hooked up this Hall sensor, and that Hall sensor just gets it started. Since I can't get it started, there's no torque at 0 RPM. I'm going to turn that on, see if I can get it kick started again. Alright, we need to get that voltage. There we go. Get that about 16. Yeah, that's all we really need. And then give this a start. There we go. Now you'll hear a change take place as soon as it hooks up. And the drive coils are going. There we go. Now I can pull this away and they're off and running. So this is just a makeshift flywheel I put together. There you can see 10 volts, a little under 10, about 8 volts on the output of this generator. And this is 3 coils generating power in series. So if it's 8, then it's about 2.5, 2 2/3. So let's try and get the voltage up. I didn't like that. Yeah, I really need a V-belt and a pulley rather than this cog gearing. I'll probably go a little bit better. Also looks like it's getting a little out of alignment. But this is the main goal was to see what happens if I took that output and put it into this motor as the input. But it's not running smoothly yet. Hopefully I'll get there soon. Also put a LED on this Hall sensor so you know when that's firing. But if you watch, when I put the Hall sensor on there as a trigger, instead of using the trigger coils, it'll slow down. The Hall sensor is just to get it started. Oh, whoop, sped up that time. Uh-oh. Alright, let me power this down. Everything is out of alignment now. Oops. But yeah, when I'm getting it started, the Hall sensor will get it started, but as soon as you get these, the Bedini SSG and the Bedini recovery coil hooked up, it'll just take off, and I have to remove the Hall sensor because it just keeps it going slow. Yeah, I guess that's it. Just wanted to capture this. All right. Thanks for watching.